ECC Math Lesson number 5.5, some more applications of proportions. Proportions occur in nature. This is called the golden ratio. You'll find it, this is called a nautilus here. That'll have, the curves, the dimensions covered are in this golden ratio. Designers try to use that golden ratio then when they design such things as vehicles. And over here in the rows, the same thing, the golden ratio is showing up. There are other ratios that occur naturally in nature, and today we just want to look at some problem solving using ratios and proportions. Okay, so let's look at our first example. Measuring miles on the ocean, those are called nautical miles, is different from normal miles on land, which are called statute miles. In fact, 100 nautical miles is equal to 115 statute miles. So if you plan on going 92 statute miles, how many nautical miles would you have to travel? Okay, so let's look at our ratio here. We have 100 nautical miles is equal to 115 statute miles. So we have the statute miles, which is 92, so we want to figure out how many nautical miles would we travel. All right, so we're going to cross multiply just like before. We end up with 115x is equal to 9200, and dividing both sides by 115, x is equal to 80, and that's nautical miles. Okay. Moving along, example 2. Diagram measuring 20 centimeters long is reduced on a copy machine to 15 centimeters long. If the width of the original copy is 16 centimeters, what's the width of the reduced copy? Okay, so we're looking at our length. So we went from 20 down to 15. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce that. That's going to be 4 to 3. So 4 is to 3 as the original copy is 16 goes down to what number? So 16 over x. Cross multiplying, we get 4x is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 12. And since we're dealing with centimeters, 12 centimeters. And number 3. A 5-pound bag of grass seed covers 2,000 square feet. An open bag contains 3 pounds of seed remaining. Will this be enough to seed a 14-yard by 8-yard piece of land? Well, the first thing you should notice here is this is in square feet, and here we're given the dimensions in yards. So that's the first thing we need to do is rewrite this 14 yards by 8 yards in feet. Well, I know that 14 yards, I know there's 3 yards in a foot. So that's going to be 42 feet, and 8 yards, 8 times 3 is 24. So I've got 42 by 24 feet. So multiplying these together, I end up with 1,008 square feet. Okay, so a 5-pound bag covers 2,000 square feet. If I have 3 pounds left, how much will that cover? I need it to be able to cover at least 1,008 square feet. So cross multiplying, we get 5x is equal to 6,000. Divide both sides by 5. So I end up with 1,200 square feet. So the 3-pound box or bag will cover 1,200 square feet, and I needed to cover 1,008. So yep, I got enough to cover it. Okay. Again, you've got some problems in front of you. If you have any questions like this young man looks like he has, please give me a call, and I will help you out as much as we can. Thanks.